Hey guys, today is a video on the adding too much ingredients series, where slime gets overloaded with ingredients to see how much it can really take. Again, there's a super satisfying lineup of slime creations waiting for you today, so let's get into it. First up are these rice ball beads, which will be added into this orange clear slime. So there's one big tub of these beads, so let's see if we can take it all in. So after mixing it in, the slime actually got really crunchy and held its shape really well. Just when the slime was looking like it couldn't take any more and more beads just kept getting eaten up by the slime, and eventually the whole tub was emptied, which was really surprising actually, because guys, that is a lot of beads, and it turned the slime into one huge blob. So anyways, this slime was so sizzly and crunchy, and none of the beads were falling out either. It was super fun to shape it into a ball or a cube shape before squishing it. It was just so satisfying. Next up is gold foil. This time it'll be added into jiggly water slime. So first thing to do is to layer the gold foil on top like this. And now listen to this amazing ASMR, guys. Ooh, how satisfying was that? It's like a black hole just eating up the gold foil. But anyways, after layering more and more gold foil and playing with it, the gold foil parts made the slime look so cool, seeing it swirl around in the slime as it got mixed. Color also got really pretty, like it had a rose gold look, which was awesome. But after a ton of it got mixed in, it just had this brownish orange color. But don't let that distract you from how fun jiggly water slimes are to play with. Could go on playing with this forever. The next crazy slime mixing are with these rainbow glitter slimes. Thought it'd be super satisfying to put them into these bags and pop them one by one into a bowl. After all the slimes are added into the bowl, what else better to do than to add a ton more rainbow glitter on top? Check it out, guys, it's like a glitter tornado, the most colorful tornado you'll ever see. But anyways, after mixing it in, it quickly turned into a bronze color with specks of colors popping out all over the slime. Because of the amount of glitter that is in the slime, it got really thick, but was really good for those clicky noises. Playing with the slime was actually fun because it was such a big blob of slime. More to poke, more to squish, more of everything. The only thing that isn't great about the slime is this gross looking color, but really the most satisfying part about making this slime was popping those bags. Next up is the army of ducks that'll be swimming around in blue jiggly water slime. There are seriously a ton of ducks in here. Let's let this duck be the first to test the waters. Okay, he seems happy. Time for everyone to jump in. So anyways, the slime quickly turned green because of the yellow and blue combination. Ducks look super cute in this water slime. Kinda looks like a bathtub with rubber duckies, except there's just probably too many ducks in this bathtub. Anyways, it was super satisfying to play with this water slime while watching them swim around. Sometimes when squishing this slime, the ducks would stab a little bit, but it wasn't too uncomfortable. Alright guys, that was adding too much ingredients into slime. Hope you're enjoying the series. Have you tried adding too much into your slimes? Make sure to suggest other ingredients you want me to add down below, and remember to subscribe and click the bell to catch more fun slime videos every week. See you in the next one. Bye guys. Love you. Mwah.